This is Blinky the Balloon Dog. He's bright blue and he can inflate like a balloon when he's excited. One day Blinky was playing in the sunny garden with his favorite toy, a bright red ball, but suddenly he smelled something delicious. It was his owner, Mrs. Tiddlewink, baking chocolate chip cookies in the kitchen. At the smell of fresh baked cookies, Blinky got super excited. He started bouncing up and down, his tail wagging furiously. And then, whoosh, he inflated like a big blue balloon and started floating towards the kitchen. Mrs. Tiddlewink was just putting the cookies in the cooling rack when she heard a pop and turned around to see Blinky floating past her garden gnomes. Next, he ricocheted off the cat's scratching post and spun around on the laundry line. Socks flew everywhere, and Blinky's hat landed on the neighbor's rooster, who was crowing loudly. By the time Blinky made it to the kitchen, he was out of breath and deflated, but his eyes were still wide with cookie anticipation. He floated past the cookie jar and oh no, he bumped right into it. The glass jar popped off the shelf and fell to the floor with a loud crash. All the cookies tumbled out and stuck to the floor, the ceiling, and even to Blinky's fur. Mrs. Tiddlewink came running into the kitchen. She gasped at the sight of flour, cookie, and dog hair covering every surface. But then she started laughing at the sight of her little dog covered in cookies, looking proud and tired at the same time. As soon as Mrs. Tiddlewink left the room, Blinky flopped down on the floor in a big pile of crumbs. He might have been covered in cookie dough from nose to tail, but he was happy. He had completed his mission. He couldn't wait to show Mrs. Tiddlewink the cookies he had hidden all over the house. From that day on, everyone in town knew about Blinky the Great, the playful, acrobatic balloon dog who could smell cookies from a mile away. And if you listen closely, you can still hear him laughing, pop, whoosh, all around. The end.